Download the Zoom app from the App Store. Once you've signed into the Zoom app, then you'll be able to open your Zoom app, go into Meet and Chat, and then click on Schedule to create a new meeting. Here you can give it a title. You can choose your date, and you can set your time. And when you want it to finish, remembering that if you have the free Zoom, you'll only be able to have 40 minutes. Then you can choose your time zone. And if you want the meeting to repeat every day, every week, etc. You can also add a personal meeting ID, so people can use that every time they sign in. And you can add a meeting password if you want it to be a bit more secure, and that will send the password in the invitation. Further down, you'll see the ability to have host video on, which you generally will have on if you're the host, but you could turn the participant videos off if you don't want to see the participants, but they can turn it on when they're actually in there later. Then on the advanced options, you can enable waiting room, which puts people in a screen until the host arrives, or you could allow people to join before the hosts. You can also add more security by only allowing authenticated users to join. And that means they will have to sign in using Zoom. You can also automatically record the meeting, and this is valuable if you're quite forgetful and you forget to record. But if you don't want to record the meeting, then just leave that. You can also add it to your calendar if you use Google Calendar. And that's how you create your meeting. Then you click Done, and it will schedule the meeting. Then you can send out the invitations via email, or you could also copy it. And to do that, all you need to do is add invitees, and then copy to clipboard. Then you can send that out, for example, into a messenger, or you can add it into an email or however else, and that's how it will be sent out with the Zoom meeting link here, the meeting ID and the password.